This tutorial is going to show you how to actually sign up for the AdServer subscription so that your advertisements will be displayed on all of the digital signage appliances that we have throughout the area. And we're starting off at our homepage at techbravo.net, and we're going to go over to services, and still working on that page. We already showed in a previous tutorial how to design your ad banner. It is on this page. So when we go to designing your banner, this is what you're going to do first before you actually go and subscribe. And here is a video tutorial on how to use our own tools, also how you can design your own should you want to do that, and then we can of course do that for you as well if you run into any trouble. So let's just go back and assume that you've already got your ad ready to upload. So we're going to go to advertise now, and when you click the QR code on any of the displays on the bottom right, that is always going to take you to this page. Now this may be a little hard to do on a mobile phone. If you have your ad banner already made and it's uploaded to your phone, that'll be just fine. You only technically have two choices here. However, you're going to pick full-size display ad. I need to make that other one go away. So just leave that at full-size display ad. You'll notice that the dimensions for the ad banner are going to be 1920 by 830, and here are the formats that they can be uploaded in. And you can see we still have quite a few slots available, and we're working out some really good deals right now to try to get more displays placed. Free advertising with a small one-time fee for the hardware and setup, and you can provide your own display, or we'll be glad to provide one for you. So I'm going to go ahead and add a banner for MTR, and you'll just fill out all of the information and you'll see these little question marks. You can hover over them and it'll give you some guidance. PayPal is the only way that we support it right now. The subscription is required, which means that it will automatically renew every 30 days. And the only way to stop it, you may be able to go into the system and stop it if you log in with your purchase code, but the best way is to go to your PayPal account, to your memorized transactions or your subscriptions, and just delete it from there. So we've got all of this. We're going to choose our file now that we already had made, and I happen to have that on the desktop. So we'll scroll down and find our ad banner, which is here, and we're going to put the website URL, which is mtr1.com, and some alternate text is good too, MTR Inc., or you could put the website again, www.mtr1.com, and this is just a security question. It's adding 0 and 5, which is 5, and you'll continue to the checkout. And I'm logged in as an administrator, so I'm not sure what's going to happen at this point. Normally it would take you to the PayPal payment page. It would redirect you there, and that way you could go ahead and take care of it. I'm not real sure what it's going to do as far as me being logged in as an administrator. And it looks like, okay, it did. And if you have a coupon code, you can put that in. I'm giving out those coupon codes for people that want to place some displays at their business if they have a lot of walk-through traffic, restaurants, dentist's office, you know, it's really limitless the places that you can put these displays. So you'll click here to make payment, and I believe this is when it's going to take you over to PayPal to complete it. And you can use PayPal, or you can create an account. I don't think it gives you the option, since it's a secure subscription. You're going to have to sign up for a PayPal account. You can't just pay with a credit card. So that's what you'll do, is fill out your payment information and go down to the bottom and continue, and it will take care of the rest, and your ad will start displaying. So your ad is going to look something like this on the display. Of course, it'll be full screen. And here's the QR code I was telling you about earlier. And if you'll go to our tutorial about how to make the banner, you'll notice that QR codes are pretty important for this, because people are only going to see this for about 10 seconds rather, and then it's going to go away until it rotates back through again. I don't have very many ads on here right now. I hope to change that with you guys' help. And I am going to add QR codes to the ones that are already existing here. And the QR codes for the ad themselves will be in the opposite corner from the one where you subscribe, so they'll go in the top left corner. So that's all you have to do to place an ad. And as we move along, I will have a list of all of the locations that our displays are in, as well as a list of all the advertisers. So you'll even get a little bit of space on our website as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. And here's a little snippet of what it looks like. There's a live preview that's always running in the sidebar there. So we'll keep adding ads, and hopefully this thing will take off and help me out, help you guys out. And this is a pretty good technology. Also, if you want your own custom ad server, I can develop a system for you where you deploy your own displays. For whatever reason, you can collect the advertising revenue. Another good place this would come in handy is in factories or education or government or larger companies, where you may want to distribute displays all the way around the building, and instead of putting advertisements, you can put announcements. Company picnic June the 3rd, or 4,000 hours of uptime with no injuries, employee of the month, that kind of stuff. You can put information other than ads in one of these ad servers. So you may want to think about that too. But that's the way that works. That's how easy it is. Go to our website, techbravo.net, and check it out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.